Alright, so good morning everyone. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm actually surprising my wife with a new exhaust system on her Miata. Now, today is her birthday, so I already got the exhaust. I hid it somewhere else. I'm going to go and pick it up. I'm in her car right now. I'm taking it to work with me. I'm going to put the exhaust on my lunch and then drive back home after and get her reaction. So stay tuned, this is going to be a good one. Okay, so her car is a manual, so I can't really do this very well, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little bit of a clip on what her exhaust currently sounds like. So this is third gear, 3K. Doesn't really sound like much. It's just, you know, engine noise pretty much. I'll do it one more time after this turn. Okay, 3K. Again, doesn't really sound like that much, so I'm curious to what the new exhaust is going to sound like after it's on. This is in neutral, and give it a couple revs just to give you guys like a before sound. Not bad, but could use a little bit more noise. Alright, so this is the new ISR exhaust. It's the Performance exhaust from them, and it's basically just a single exit muffler delete. That's going to bolt right up to where the muffler is currently sitting. Factory has a dual exhaust with a really large muffler, and this is going to delete that. So it's definitely going to make a lot more noise like she wants, and hopefully she likes it. Going to get this in the car. I got to get to work, but like I said, I'm going to do this on my lunch, or maybe when I'm off work in the parking lot. Just swap it out real quick, and then show back up at home and see if I can get a reaction for you guys. Alright guys, so I was able to get the exhaust on, and man, does it sound good. No, this thing sounds good though. Alright, so I finally got out of traffic for the moment, cutting through on the back streets, but opened it up a second ago. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, but it sounded pretty good. I am going to be coming up to her soon, so I'll give you guys her reaction in just a minute. But first, maybe I can get on video real quick. There's gonna be a little opener right here, so I'll step on it just a little bit to let you guys hear it. Oh man, yeah, it gets it. Alright, time for the reaction. Alright, so she's on a walk and she's coming up the road right now, so I just kind of like crept in, turned the engine off, coasted down in neutral completely.
I heard it and I was like, the fuck did mermaid soup out her?
Oh.
Is that your stereo?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. That is my car. But my only complaint is now it's not a dual exhaust.
I know you were gonna say that. That's the muffler right there. I couldn't afford the dual exhaust, so I bought you a single.
Thank you. Can I drive to your dad's?
Yeah.
Can you take that off my seat now? did you do this? That's my car!
Yeah, so I did it on my lunch, and I had about 45 minutes, and then the new exhaust didn't come with studs, so I had to quickly run to Home Depot and get new studs.
Home Depot charge was.
Very eager to drive.
Oh. Oh man, it's like, is this even my car?
Easy now until we get off the road. We live on a dirt road, so
Yeah.
it's a little bumpy right here, but it's about to be paved right now.
That's so nice.
I think the high RPMs is where it sounds like the best. Like when you're really ringing the gears out.
Yeah, it sounds really nice in between 3 and 4. It sounds nice in between 3 and 4. What's with all these people turning? Oh, this is gonna be so fun to get donuts. No incognito mode no more though.
Yeah, but at least you
Bruh.
get the noise to back at them.
Yeah. It's so nice. Thank you. Hurry the fuck up. You are being so sus. How would I have known you did this?
Everything worked out perfectly. One, two.
So much parking space now.
All right, so it's been a couple days since the initial surprise, and any impressions? How do you like it?
Well, it's really nice.
Mm.
I was kind of surprised. Like I missed my dual exhaust, but I like it went from zoom zoom to vroom vroom.
Yeah.
And the crackles are really nice. So I'm waiting to go get donuts.
Yeah. Unfortunately, in between the surprise and currently, she had broke her foot, so she hasn't been able to drive it very much other than what you guys saw last. So
Yeah, unfortunately. Well, hopefully soon.
she'll be back up and driving again, and should be able to,
Slide every corner because we're getting to rainy season.
and upset a lot of Karens. I've already pissed a couple people off, but it's all good. The noise is worth it, and I like it. So
I like it. I was I was really shocked you did it in a lunch.
yeah, that's pretty cool. It worked out really well for timing wise. But yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. Smaller YouTube channel, trying to grow, and liking the videos helps the algorithm recommend to other people, and I really appreciate it. So like, comment if you have any questions or want to say anything, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I appreciate it. Stay awesome, guys.